Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. We are so excited to have you join us sa aming Shopify Weekend Hackathon. Ano ba ang Weekend Hackathon? So, ang Hackathon ay isang workshop kung saan gagawa tayo ng website ng sabay-sabay. Meron kayong instructor na mag-guide sa inyo step by step at magsasagot din ng questions nyo in any time na meron kayong question habang ginagawa nyo ang website nyo. Napakarami ng online courses and video tutorials na lumalabas ngayon sa internet on building a Shopify website. Pero karamihan sa atin, hindi pa rin natin alam kung saan or paano ba talaga magsimula and papaano tayo magme-maintain ng isang e-commerce website. Ang course na ito, dinesign namin with the main objective na by the end of the course, meron talaga kayong maa-accomplish. A finished Shopify website na integrated na rin with Facebook and Instagram shops and meron na ring Facebook ads running. So, after the event, all you have to do is to maintain yung website na matatapos ninyo. So, what to expect from this course? Magkakaroon tayo ng pre-event lessons. Ito yung mga offline lessons na pwede nyo i-take at your own pace. Parang preparation din ito sa actual event. And then, 2-day live class via Zoom, 2 hours each day. Post-event lessons, hindi namin kayo iiwanan sa ere. Magkakaroon din kayo ng offline lessons after the event ng mga next steps nyo dun sa bago nyong website tsaka sa Facebook ads na gagawin ninyo during the event and certificate of completion. So, pag-usapan natin kung ano yung mga i-cover. So, sa pre-event lessons, ito yung mga lessons na iti-take nyo at your own pace. Introduction to the course, and then website building overview. Bibigyan namin kayo ng overview sa paggawa ng website. Pag-uusapan natin yung basics or fundamentals. And then introduction to domain names. Next is on the day 1 activities. Ito na yung ating live class. It's gonna be on Saturday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Ito ang ating build day. Gagawa tayo sa araw na ito ng Shopify website and then Facebook page and Facebook business account. Also, Instagram business profile. And then magkakaroon din tayo ng live Q&A in between. So, during the activities, pwede kayong magtanong. If merong hindi malinaw, pwede kayong magtanong. And meron kayong instructor na mag-guide sa inyo live. Next is yung day 2 natin na live Zoom class. It's gonna be on a Sunday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Ito naman yung parang marketing day natin. Kasi ang pag-uusapan natin dito is Facebook advertising for beginners. And then gagawa rin tayo ng image and video ads. Also, we will create Facebook ads. And of course, gagawa na rin tayo ng mga Facebook ads na parang pasimula ninyo para sa bago nyong e-commerce business. And then live Q&A. So, after the event, meron na kayong website, meron pa kayong Facebook page and Instagram business profile. And at the same time, meron na rin kayong Facebook ads running. Pero, hindi pa rin namin kayo iwanan sa ere. Meron pa rin tayong support after the event. So, ang post-event lessons, ito yung mga offline lessons na pwede nyo ring i-take at your own pace. So, i-cover dito ang managing your new Shopify website and also the next steps to your new Facebook ads. Meron lang kaming minimal requirements. This is just to make sure na lahat makakapag-participate during the event. First, this course is created or designed for real beginners, meaning zero to minimal knowledge sa paggawa ng website, especially ng Shopify and Facebook advertising. And then, kung meron na kayong Facebook page kung saan nagbebenta kayo ng items or probably Instagram or at least an idea kung ano bang items ang gusto nyong ibenta, that would be really great. Pero hindi siya mandatory. Next, ang internet speed nyo dapat it can support Zoom calls. DSL is okay, pero wag naman sana data kasi baka magkaroon kayo ng connection issues. Also, computer or laptop is mandatory. Unfortunately, hindi natin to pwedeng gawin sa mobile phones kasi hindi kayo makakagawa ng website sa mobile phone. And then, this course is going to be in Filipino or Tagalog. Magkaka-receive kayo ng calendar invite via email and also with instructions. And then yung pre-event lessons natin, it's gonna be available at least a week before your scheduled event. We are encouraging everyone na i-take yung pre-event lessons at 1 week before the event kasi gusto namin fresh pa yung knowledge before the actual event. Email reminders will also be sent out as the event day is coming. So, ipapaalalahanan namin kayo kung malapit na yung event. The event is going to happen via Zoom. So, makaka-receive din kayo ng email with a link sa Zoom meeting. Unique yung link na yon, kayo lang yung pwedeng gumamit. So, it's going to be a meeting setup sa Zoom. Kung medyo mahiyain kayo, don't worry, hindi namin i-require na naka-turn on yung video. Hindi natin makikita ang isa't isa. Pero, screen sharing is a must kasi si instructor, dapat nakikita niya kung ano yung ginagawa niya dun sa website mo. This is limited to 50 seats only for now, and it's a first pay, first serve basis. I'll see you in class.